Hi, I'm Jack from Ireland, and I'm here on my project today to talk about better solutions at effectively monitoring peatlands and the restoration of these peatlands. Now, in recent times, peatlands have been considered highly effective carbon sinks throughout the world. They only cover 3% of the Earth's surface, yet they contain more carbon than the forest and atmosphere combined. So they're really concentrated carbon sinks. So there's a lot of ongoing projects to restore these peatlands, a lot of money being pumped into this. However, a lot of this money is being pumped into the monitoring of these of the restoration projects. My project essentially is trying to overcome the issues with this, the small scale, the high cost, the problems with low personnel, and also with infrequent sessions of monitoring, with a new approach to remote sensing that solves all the past problems of this in the context of peatlands. So I combined three different types of remote sensing: InSAR, multispectral and SAR data, and synthesized these together to create a complete and whole picture as to what is going on these peatland sites. And that enables landowners to a high degree of accuracy, frequently and for practically free, to effectively monitor and to effectively restore these peatlands.